Today we are going to talk about convergence of length, area and volume. So let's move on to the convergence of areas and volume. Before that, you should know that the units of areas are actually squares. So for example, centimeter square or meter square or kilometer square, centimeter square and millimeter square. So we've actually changed the units, but that's not the only thing we do. There's also one more thing that we need to do. We have to take the squares of the, you can say, scale factors or the multipliers that we are using. So over here, I'm going to take this square of this 1000. I'm going to take the square of this 100. I'm going to take the square of this 10. Similarly, for the division signs, we are going to do same. We are going to take the squares of those also. And that's it. Now, this is our conversion plane for the area. So now let's do some practice questions for the conversion of area. Here we have 3 questions where we need to go from one unit to another. So first we have 2 meter square into centimeter square. And from here we can see that in order to go from meter square to centimeter square, what should we do? We need to multiply by 100 square. And what's 100 square? 100 square actually means 4 zeros. 100 is 2 0, 100 square is 4 zeros, which is 10,000. So for this, I need to multiply by 10,000. Here we go. So 2 multiplied by 10,000 also is 20,000. So we have 20,000 centimeters square. Similarly, over here we have 1.5 kilometer square to meter square. So over here we have to multiply by the square of 1000. Square of 1000 is 1,000,000, 3 zeros. So we have to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. When taking squares of tens or power of tens, what you can do is that you can just double the number of zeros for squares or triple the number of zeros for cubes. From here to here, we need to multiply by 1,000,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 1.5 into 10 to the power of 6 meter square. Well, this is directly written in standard form. You need to convert it into normal form. What you can do is that first you can write 1.5. 1, you can say 0 will be gone in order to take the decimal from here to here. So you can negate 1 0, but you'll have to write the rest of the 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, this is actually 1,500,000 meter square. And the third one we have from centimeter square to meter square. And over here, we need to multiply it by 100. So we'll get 300. Oh, well, this is if it's meter square, millimeter square. Then we'll multiply with this and we'll get millimeter square.